Yes, and this is the end result. Yep, Jamaican style roast breadfruit. Two different types of breadfruit. You realize this one white and this one more yellow. This one sweet.
Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. You have the option to be notified for occasional videos or all of them. If you're on your phone, make sure you go into your settings and switch on notifications.
Ready. People must say this is a whole heap of breadfruit. It's a whole heap of breadfruit. 22 breadfruit, a whole heap of breadfruit. Blazing. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright. Yes. Alright, enough people are going to say, so wait, oh, you're not putting no eggs in the top of your breadfruit. Well, the reason why I'm not putting no eggs in the top of your breadfruit, because I roast 10 breadfruit at a time. And when you put in a fire like this, it will burn. And we don't want it to roast too fast. I want you to take a little time and simmer down. Hot. One of the middle almost finished. Yes, and this is the end result. Yep, Jamaican style roast breadfruit. Can be fried. Some of them will be fried, some will be eaten same way. Best thing to eat it with: chicken back, curry chicken back or curry chicken, or ackee and saltfish. If you don't have that, turkey neck nice it is as well. You know the thing go. Hot Jamaica. Two different types of breadfruit. You realize this one white and this one more yellow. This one sweet and it's not turned. This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
Run.
For the bags
bags under your eyes. Now, I don't have very big bags under my eyes, but we're going to try out this product today because that's what we do. So my friend suggested you just cut it in half. And then you take the habanero, do it a quick rub under your eyes, and give it a few